Hey guys, it's LivelyLys and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we have how to make a zipper track. Now in the previous video we already went over how to make a zipper head, so now it's just about putting those two together and having a zipper head and a zipper track, you know? And I'm going to be showing you how to do these two different ones specifically. But let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and grab the rectangle tool over here, hold it down and select it. And we're just going to make a rectangle just like this. After that, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste it and align the second one just like this. After that, you're going to go ahead and select both of these and then group it so they can act together as one, because if you don't, then every time you select it, it's just going to select one and it's going to get really annoying. So that's why we like to select both and group. So now whenever I select this, I'm selecting both technically. All right, now that we already got that, we're gonna go ahead and copy this again, but them grouped, of course. And then we're gonna paste it down here. After that, you're gonna select both of these and then align them to the center horizontally. And you can do that either by going to Windows and then select Align right here so it can give you those symbols, or you can go to Object, and then Align right here. After that though, we're gonna go ahead and grab the blend tool, select this one, and select this one, and boom! Now, you might be like, there you go, Liz, you were right. Making a zipper track is so fucking easy. Let me show you what it looks like on an actual hoodie. You see what I'm saying? That is not it. It looks, it looks like someone's finna climb a fucking ladder, I don't know. But again, that's why I say we do not end off right there at all, because we have to create like a background for it. And how I do that is by grabbing the rectangle tool again, making sure the stroke is on, it's black, and then we're gonna go ahead and select this gray right here. And we're essentially gonna want to make like 3 rectangles. So here's one right here, side by side though. So copy and paste that, align them, and then let's go ahead and change this color to a lighter one right here. Let's bring the other one in. All right, and now we're just gonna send it to the back, put it over the top of the zipper track, make sure it's wide enough. And now we're gonna send it to the back, or arrange it to the back. Again, you can go to Object and do the same thing. And now what we're gonna do is go ahead and grab the line segment tool, select stroke under appearance, the word stroke, and then we're gonna go ahead and check the box dashed line. Now what this does is essentially allow you to make a dashed line. But again, this is what I use to kind of illustrate stitching, which I assume everyone does. Again, to me, the stitching is a little thick. I like at 0.75. So again, the weight is the thickness of the stroke. And then the dash, it's at 2 right now, but if we were to increase it, the dash would get like larger in size. Not thickness, but the dash would be longer itself. So let me go ahead and increase that so you can see. Boom. You know, but I like to keep it at 2. Just like that. Go and copy and paste this to this side. Okay, boom. Now I got the stitching to like how I like it. Go ahead and align these. Group these both together so whenever we drag it, we're not just grabbing one of them. Now let's add the zipper head. And now we put it on the hoodie. So that is essentially the first way of how you would make a zipper track for your zipper head and your hoodie, of course. Now, mind you, there are different types of zipper teeth depending on the type of material and just depending on the type of teeth you want. You know, there's coil, the plastic ones usually have like a rectangular bottom but oval top, you know? Sorry to interrupt you with this quick ad break. If you are tired of mindlessly trying to figure out how to design instead of focusing on your actual clothing brand, you found the right place. Introducing LivelyLys's mockups, mockup attachments, tech packs, and much more. for you to start your clothing brand today and bring your vision to life. Again, that includes blank mockups, zipper heads, zipper tracks, pockets, hoodies, anything you would need for your clothing brand, we have it. And it's what also allows me to communicate with my manufacturer effectively and never lose out on money. Again, if you want the mockups, mockup attachments, tech packs, and more, you can get it today or any day at LivelyLys.com or in the link in the bio. All right, back to the video. All right, so now you might be asking, Liz, since we know how to do that zipper track, how do you do the other one that you were talking about? To where like you can see the inside and shit. And I got y'all. Let me go ahead and just break this down real quick. Now, essentially, whenever you open a zipper, we would just be like opening that shit up. You know what I'm saying? Opening that shit up. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is select the zipper track, and then we're gonna go to Object, and then hit Expand. So it can actually like break this up, because whatever it wasn't expanded, it was just stuck as like a blend, so we can't really like mess with it essentially. But now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and copy this and then paste it in front and use my arrow key to drag it out to the right, and then I'm essentially gonna do the same thing with the bottom one. So paste in front. Okay, now let's just take this out, because these are all grouped together, just like these two. And I'm not gonna go down every single one of those and ungroup it. I refuse. So we're just gonna do it the easier way. And let's ungroup this. And grab this one, ungroup it. Grab this one and ungroup it, just like that. And I'm also just gonna drag this one over here, because before I do the blend options, I want to make sure they're like on the same, they have basically the same specified steps. So we're going to grab this top one, this bottom one, align them first, and then we're going to go ahead and grab the blend tool and select both of them, double select the blend option, go to specified steps, and I'm pretty sure it's 81. Click OK. And then we're going to select both of these. Again, make sure they're aligned. And we're going to do the same thing. So select this one, select this one. We're going to go to specified steps again, and then just put 81 right there and click OK. And now what we're going to do is just delete this middle part like it never existed. But these two, you see what I'm saying? Oh, now it's back. But we don't want it back. We want her to bust that shit open. We're going to create stitch lines for both of these. Make sure they're aligned. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool and create just a black background for it. And real quick before we do that, I'm going to select the stroke and deselect dash line, so it's no longer doing that. Also, I don't need a stroke, so we're just going to disable that and then select black. Go to arrange and then send to the back. And I'm just going to like put the zipper track or zipper teeth like to the side of it, so it actually looks like it, so it doesn't look like hanging teeth essentially. And now that we got the mock-up, we're just gonna slide this right on, just like so. If we want, we can just align this, and boom, now we got a hoodie that's busted open. So now again, whatever you're trying to illustrate on the inside and show, you are now able to do that. You're not just limited to like the outside of the hoodie. We can get the inside contents just by doing this, just by busting that bitch open. And I actually think, yeah, I was just gonna say, the stitching lines might be too far in too. There we go. And just like that, it is a finished product. We have finished 2 zipper tracks. One that's closed and one that's open. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I explained everything well. This one was, I feel like, was a little bit harder for me to verbalize what I'm doing. in a weird way. I don't know why. But yeah, that is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this and what other tutorials you guys want to see. You can be specific in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.